Energy fascinates us. Controlling it and managing it is our passion. And that's what we want for the needs of our customers. Just like our founder, Günter Fronius, when in 1945 his battery charger helped him lay the foundations for the company. Today, Fronius is a global pioneer in welding technology, solar energy, and battery charging technology. Over 4,500 employees in 30 countries, and around 90 apprentices focus their energy on a single goal: increasing the success of our customers around the world. The figures speak for themselves, with roughly 90% of products exported to over 60 countries, and sales totaling €647 million in 2017. Research and development play a key role for us. More than 1,200 patents demonstrate our innovative capacity. Fronius stands for quality, expertise, and customized solutions. In the business unit Perfect Welding, we are the innovation leader, both in robot-assisted welding and automated, manual, and resistant spot welding. Thanks to our global sales and service network, we are never far away from our customers. In the business unit Solar Energy, we develop solutions to intelligently generate, store, distribute, and consume solar energy. We have a vision of 24 hours of sun, a future in which 100% of the world's energy needs are covered by renewable sources. In the business unit Perfect Charging, we optimize battery charging processes in intralogistics and in vehicle workshops, enabling us to guarantee our customers that we will reduce their costs. This is all connected by a shared passion to inspire even more customers with our energy expertise.